So this is IR sensor. I already made a few projects on IR sensors. You can see my video if you visit my channel, that you can watch, and I'll be building more videos on that. And this one is sound detector sensor. If you want to make a project like when you make some noise, light will be on like that. This is ultrasonic sensor, and again you can make a robot car like obstacle car you can make. This is flame detector sensors. So if you want to make a project where when there is a flame, motor will on and spill the water, so you can do that, or alarm. This is water level sensor. If you want to build a project like if the water level is reached to the point, it will sound. This is PIR motion sensor. If you want to make motion sensor light, you can do it, right? And this one is DHT11 sensor. It's a humidity and temperature sensor. If you want to make project on that, you can build it. I have made videos on those sensors. I'll be making more on this. This is MQ9 gas sensor. A lot of projects, real-time projects, I would say, for home automation you can build. I made that, and I'll be making more videos on this. And this is soil sensor. And projects we can build, like we have a plant at home, and we want to automate it. Like as soon as the moisture is low, it will switch on the motor. And this is a raindrop detector sensor. A raindrop detector sensor is also very useful, like people do it in science projects and all. And we can do it with Arduino. When there is raindrop is detected, it will notify us through buzzer, or we can build a more complex project on this. So on these sensors we can build a lot of projects from easy to complex, right? So yeah, it's good to have these sensors.